और इधर तो 180 ना? हाँ काउंट के लिए क्या ऑनलाइन भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं क्या? मतलब जहाँ में पहुँचेगा? Say hi. How do you feel coming in Guwahati?
I feel good.
But it's extremely hot, right? So, would you like to stay here for a few more days?
Yes.
Right now, let's just have our breakfast in this thing, and then we'll see more. Small puri. So, finally done eating here. Now it's time for us to leave. Let's go. Here at evening time to have this Burger King.
A few moments later.
That is the house I'm staying. I'm going to catch Toto. It's an update. Right now, I just moved on from that place where I stay. I'm going to the place where I am supposed to go, and the place where I am in is, as I say, the weather is awesome. Not like how I was expected. So I'm gonna show you more. Stay updates. I'm here for the tutu, but sadly none of them except I think this guy will accept it. Ang jayega? Bhaiya jayega? Okay, so I got it. Guys, we are here at Maniram Devan Trade Center. I mean that side. Right now we're going inside this temple, the Balaji temple. You'll find this location just next to this highway road, just going to the airport. The Balaji airport is there. Just hold a second, I'll show you. Level 3 in here. For reaching Balaji temple, there's this place called, I don't know what is this called. I think it's a, what's that? It's a restaurant. I got it. Yeah, it's a restaurant named Oha. Then come the Balaji temple. This Balaji temple, as you can see, guys. It's so beautiful, so pretty. Look at the grass. It's awesome, guys. It's like that's a temple, guys. That's a temple, and the other one, this one. I have been here for a while, and the weather, I don't know, all of a sudden it's so hot. I have to hide. Oh my god, I have to hide under this tree in order to get it from the sun, and I felt like my feet gonna burn. I'm gonna have sunburn today. And more worse than me, he have this pasina all over his face. And meet my friend Simran. Hi, Bulu Simran. Hi. YouTube channel. So just a slight view of the temple here. See. Inside this temple, Balaji temple, you'll get lots of, this type of monuments. I mean, they have 3, 4. I think that one is the biggest as compared to these. These are small. Yeah. So I think I'll come again at the evening. Right now, I can't bear sun. I felt like I'm gonna. I'll be. I'll get the front. I'll be like a fry human being if I keep on standing and keep on visiting here. So stay tuned, guys. See you. यहाँ पे क्या है मधु? फिश है? Welcome back. Welcome back. It's actually the continuation from the start. Today is the day 2, as I already mentioned earlier. So today I had come. See that you saw that, right? That yeah, that one. That one is Maniram Devendran TTS restaurant. It's already time for us to have lunch. And the menu on this one, we have ordered it. We have already ordered it. Now let's see. And let's. The view from the restaurant where we are in right now, and that is the place. Traffic out here. This is our lunch. I'm ordering this another food. This chicken thali. Let's have it. Finally done with our lunch. As you can see, we are next opposite to the food stall that we that one. Okay, that time I was there, now I was here. I am here now. So I'll get to where I am supposed to go. I'm just worried, you know what? What if I gain weight staying here, guys? That is the thing I'm worried. Okay, bye.
A few moments later.
I'm here in ISBT, in Guwahati ISBT, where you have food. I'll show you some unique place which I have never been before, where food is served inside the bus. Can you imagine, guys? So food is served inside the bus. So let me just flip so that you all can see. This restaurant. First of all, let us see. They provide, and everything is inside this bus. ISBT, and now I'm planning. I'll go inside. Let's see how. Alright. This is how I look inside.
Nice.
This is the menu from the inside one and the outside one again. And this is the interior inside.
Look here, smile.
Come here, cameraman. Okay, I'll show you guys my review. The food does not look, does not taste like how it looks. I really don't like the taste. So bad. So bad. Just the interior is like okay, but then the food is so bad. I am not loving it. But anyways, we have more days to explore. So I am gonna share every little detail so that whenever you are here, you'll get to know more and you'll have the idea what is the feedback. So just to let you know, once again, this is ISBT Guwahati. I want you to share all. So I'm again in the Dodo because I felt tired and just a short distance.
क्या नहीं यस भैया अरे
This is the fancy market at Guwahati. This is the market inside where you find all this apa है too much. So it's so extremely hot out here. I think I'll get the sunburn by the end of this month. We're here for the yeah. We were going that store for my sandal. Pants. Again, I'm not able to get the shoes where I want. Now I have to go inside spray. Oh, that one. अगर पाइदे पनि त्यही लिनुपर्छ That's here. Oh, he'll get awesome tops in here. Kena? 180. Save 180? Yeah. Discount, yeah. Oh my god. 180, 180. Only 180 guys are getting all these awesome shoes here. I have to buy these shoes here. It's just 180 guys. It's just 180. I'll buy this, guys, and you get. Kina? 150 chappal. 300. 180 na? Okay. See, guys, you get amazing shoes in just 300. Wow, I'm loving it. This is the stall. You can just contact him also. Mr. 300 का है ना? हाँ? काउंट के लिए? यहाँ पे क्या ऑनलाइन भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ हो जाएगा
मतलब हर जगह में पहुँचेगा?
हाँ जी
Oh, that's nice. That you can take this contact number. This is the place where you get it. Well, thank you so much. It goes to Dada. He's the one who take me here. Okay, this is Fancy Market, Guwahati, Utawara. I finally get the shoes that I want. In case you need it. In case if you want in Labubu design, since it's so trendy.
Hey.
Searching for this bug for so long. Even these beautiful cups. Very small. Beautiful flowers. Wow, it's very cozy inside. After roaming all around, we are back to the same place where we're supposed to be. Purchase this thing, gifted by Dada. Okay, I shall continue more. Right now, we'll just move ahead.
हाम्रो वाला फोन चाहिँ छैन है यहाँ
China. हाम्रो जस्तो छैन. Oh my god, the sun. Look like I'm in the mandap, you know, the shadi thing full of flowers. It's all well organized. In my condition, you can know how I literally feel. In fact, so frustrated. And look at the weather, it just burned me alive. I hope I do not get burned so much. Right now, I literally feel so frustrated because of the sun and the weather. It's so extremely hot. Avocado.
कितना लगाएगा भाई हाँ अभी 600 बोल रहा है 650
Parsimon fruit looks like tomato.
नहीं नहीं तो अंदर में जेली
We have to sit into this auto. Must they? Huh? We'll sit.
पर्फेक्ट सामान हाल्यो
Now while going there, they have to sit this toto.
शिलङमा खोल्दियो यस्तो